Donald Trump's attorney, Evan Corcoran, appeared Friday before a federal grand jury in Washington, investigating the former president's retention of classified documents after he left the White House in January 2021, one of a series of investigations that swirl around Trump as he seeks the Republican nomination to run for president again in 2024.
America's comeback starts right now.
The Justice Department's investigation, led by Special Counsel Jack Smith, is looking into whether Trump improperly took classified documents as he left office and obstructed the government's efforts to retrieve the sensitive materials. U.S. media outlets previously reported that Smith's office was seeking court approval to compel Corcoran's testimony, citing evidence that Trump intentionally misled his attorneys about his retention of classified materials at his Florida Mar-a-Lago resort. Corcoran sought to block enforcement of the subpoena, citing attorney-client privilege, but a federal judge, as reported by ABC, ruled that Smith's team had made a sufficient showing that attorney-client privilege could not be used. Elise Maisel, an assistant professor at NYU Law School, explains there are few instances when this can come into play.
The first category is where the client has provided misinformation, has lied to the lawyer, and the lawyer has then made representations to either a court or to a government regulator that reflect those misrepresentations. So that's one category. Another category would be where the lawyer is an active co-conspirator in a fraud. They say, let's do this. Let's use this tool of obfuscation to get around the law here. And then the third category, and this is one that's probably not relevant here, is when the lawyer sort of goes rogue and commits fraud on their own.
Last May, Trump received a grand jury subpoena ordering him to turn over all classified documents still in his possession. In response, attorneys representing Trump, including Corcoran, handed over a single envelope containing 38 documents with classified markings, and in a certification attested they had thoroughly searched the premises and found no other records bearing classification markings. That claim later proved to be false, after the FBI discovered 100 additional classified records among some 13,000 government documents in its August 8th search.